Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Guma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we're going to talk about the top 5 stocks that you should be keeping on your watch list for today. Today is Friday, the very last day of trading for this week. And it may get interesting. Right now, the market is up by 0.35% right here. The SPY futures are up. And yeah, it looks like today might be a good day for the longs. Looks like today might be a good day for the longs. The very first stock that I think we should address is the stock from last night's video, Gilead. And right now the stock is crumbled like slowly post market after people are taking their money off the table. So like I said, do not be surprised to see a sell off first before we see a rebound, especially near this zone right here. If it can hold this level for like 1 or 2 more days, then it's definitely good for a long. Again, if it can hold it for a while before going back up again, this one is definitely, it might be good for a long. So definitely keep your eyes on this one. I'm glad it pulled back and it didn't just go to 70. That would actually kind of, that wouldn't be very nice. But yeah, the stock is doing its thing. It's chill right now. And the only thing I want to see for the stock to consolidate above 62.70 just for a little bit of a while before I think about jumping into for a day trade to the long side at around 70 bucks, maybe 75 even, since the stock has been crushed and demolished for a while. Okay, so definitely keep that one in your watch list. Another stock that we're gonna talk about is space. Now, space got hammered right here, and this looks like a bullish harami, and a bullish harami usually is, again, like the name says, is bullish, right? So it may open higher here and then push up even more. If you look at the 5-minute time frame, uh, it looks like it's trying to make a comeback. It looks like it's trying to make a comeback. A break above 21.27 would be nice, right? And especially because of individuals right here. There's short sellers in here, so a break above that level we might be good for a nice day trade. So definitely keep that one on your watch list for sure. Definitely keep it on your watch list for sure. Um, don't be too long biased on this. Again, just because there's good news about that drug being approved, and just because the market is up right now, doesn't mean we can't make a complete 180 to the downside right here. So definitely watch it. Okay, definitely watch this one. We could make a turnaround as soon as the bell opens. Okay, so watch it. Be careful. If we break to the upside near like 347, then obviously it's good for a long. But yeah, do not be so quick to jump in unless you know for sure that we're no longer in bearish territory. No longer in bearish territory. So that is my thoughts on the SPY for those of you who trade the SPY. Again, be very careful today. Very careful. Like, it's nice to see green, but again, like, I'm not that convinced yet. So definitely keep your eyes open. The next stock that we're going to talk about is BYND, Beyond Meat. And Beyond Meat went all the way up to 197 and now has crumbled all the way back down to 165. And so far, looking like it wants to make a move to the upside, especially after all the short sellers take their money off the table, right? Today's Friday. So we may see a little pop over here to 177, followed by a fade or followed by consolidation. So definitely watch this. Today, again, like on these days like this where nothing is too obvious, watch for intraday patterns. Intraday patterns, people. Intraday patterns. It may reveal a lot and it may make the day easier for you. So yeah, just so that you don't get caught on the wrong side of the trade. So definitely watch BYND for a move back up, especially after it's been getting crushed like that. Okay, and plus it's about to open just a little bit higher here. So definitely watch this for long. The next stock that we're going to talk about is Gap GPS. And GPS, I made a video about that one. It looked really good, really good, really. And then I just took my money off here. It was looking so weak, and I missed out on this move. It went to the price target. It definitely did. but they got there like a week later. Again, I hate that. I hate when stocks get to where I want them to go, like the following week or like 2 weeks after. But the stock performed really well. Could it go higher? Honestly, let me see the yeah, it may. I don't think it's gonna go. I don't think it's. It may. But then again, people who got in yesterday may want to take their money off the table, especially if they got like short-term contracts. Like this is a lot of money in contracts, so we may see like a consolidation here for a while. Yeah, until we see a potential move back up to like $24 or $26. So definitely keep that one on your watch list for sure. And another stock that I want to talk to all of you about is Snow. And Snow, we talked about it yesterday about how the short sellers got squeezed on the way up. And right now, the stock is trading a bit down. I might bearish on it, not yet. If it can just stay here for a while, right? Because the thing is, short sellers who got in here, they just want to see the stock collapse. And if the stock doesn't collapse, then they get scared and they get worried, and thus the stock consolidates. Consolidation is like the worst thing you can. The worst thing that can happen is consolidation when you're a short seller. So yeah, they're hoping for the stock to crumble back down to like 270. But if it just stays at this level for a while, like we may see another push back up to 320 or to 340. But yeah, just a nice consolidation here would be nice, like within the next coming weeks. If it could come back down, that's fine too, and form something obvious on a different time frame. That would be great. But right now, again, this one, I'm neutral on this one, and I'm just being patient and seeing something more obvious in order for me to take a trade on Snow. The next stock that we're going to talk about is DraftKings. Let's see how that's doing. It's not doing. Yeah, it's doing okay. It's doing okay. Pre-market. Yeah, just keep that one in your watch list, especially for a break above $44. It might be good for a long, so keep that one in your watch list. There was a bunch of dip buyers in here. Again, we could also see a retest of that level to see if these people can show some character and not fold, right? And if it holds and goes back up again to $44 around here on Monday, then it could definitely be good for a long. And yeah, it looks like it's going back up. It's not showing any sign of weakness. So definitely keep DraftKings on your watch list for today. It may surprise you. It may surprise you. So watch it closely. Short sellers want to take their money. I'm sure if you were short here and you made all of this money, you will want to get paid at some point. So definitely watch this. I'm not too bearish on it at all. Like, if it could go down to 37, great, right? It'll be even at a bigger discount for the long-term investors out there, and there'll be more profits to be made on the upside. But then again, like, I think they might take their money off the table very, very soon. The next stock that I want to talk about is Tesla. And Tesla is like it immediately faded after earnings. And let me look on here on the weekly. The weekly still looks terrible. Like the weekly looks like, look at this. Look at this. It's super vertical, and it looks like it wants to tumble back down to like 300. That would suck for a lot of investors if this thing just tumbled back down throughout the next week to like $300. But yeah, from my standpoint, regardless of what you may believe about the company, this is not looking too good on the weekly. It's looking kind of weak to me. It's really looking weak. Like I'm not like from this perspective, just looking at it from here, it's looking kind of weak. The gravestone doji is there, all right, and then we got the next candle is red. It looks like this week is gonna close red, and if you close underneath it, it's not a good sign at all. If you close at like 410, it's not a good sign at all for the stock. So again, just keep this on your watch list. There may be intraday patterns here, all right, and don't have a bias on either side. Do not have a bias on either side. Just trade what the market gives you. Don't force anything. Just let it flow. And yeah, do not get caught on the wrong side of the trade. If you got value from the video, definitely destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm as always. If you're new to this channel, definitely subscribe and click on the notification bell. That way you get notified whenever I release these pre-market analysis videos 15 minutes before the market opens, and post-market analysis videos at around 7:30 p.m. Central Time. Again, if you're not following us on social media, you can definitely find me on Twitter and on Instagram at Paul Nguma and at PATTERNOLOGY LAB. If you're new to the stock market and would like to get started in investing/trading, there are step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. It only takes 15 minutes to sign up and to have access to this amazing Thinkorswim tool from TD Ameritrade. Is completely free to use. Also, what is free is if you use the link below to sign up with Robinhood, you can get one free stock, and also using the other link below to sign up with webull to get 2 free stocks right after you deposit like $100 in the account or something. Yeah, so yeah. Once again, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns in patterns only. And I'm gonna see all of you probably this afternoon. If not this afternoon, then definitely Saturday. All right, definitely Saturday in the afternoon. Maybe tonight in the afternoon. We will see. All right. Happy trading, and this week was great.